for one. All righty, you ready? Here we go, bud.
Let me see.
Just like that?
Not really, but.
Okay, hang on. There you go. You're ready to go now.
Here we go?
Yeah. All right, off you go. Walk on out. Here you go. Nicely done. Lean straight back.
All right, so walk out for
Yeah, walk out, yeah. Lean straight back. Perfect. There you go, getting faster, right?
Yep. The shit people do.
You should see Rodney. He rides his motocross down here.
I believe him.
And I'm like, dude, you're 60 years old, bro.
Dude, I'm 63. I'll be 64 this year. Am I ready?
Okay, you're good to go whenever you're ready. Run on down. Go as fast as you want to. And you're gonna follow the railing back up the top of the hill.
Thanks, sir.
5.
Destin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is stuff in Destin like that. Zip lining and
Yeah.
oh yeah.
Walking around. There you go.
I didn't mean to spin around like that.
No, that's all right. I had to break up and needed it. Step closer to me. Thank you.
Ready?
Not yet.
Okay.
Watch your hand. All right, you're gonna walk out to that big rock before you pick your feet up.
All right.
3, 2. There you go. All right, there's water in the deck. Oh, I mean, I sit on the deck over there.
All right. Everybody having fun?
Alright. Heavy cross underneath. Maybe step this way. No, ground slow counts as one.
Oh, ground slow.
Oh.
I didn't do one, so what? I gotta go back and do one? I got jipped out of one. No, I did do number one. This is a cannonball, right? Because of the going back
Because
up.
of the crosswind.
Yeah. Oh, I was thinking about the going back up.
I mean, that does counter, but 9. Because the big open field, you do get a nice crosswind.
Okay.
So it will try and turn you.
I better lean back good then.
Lean back and cannonball.
Lean back. Hey, why can this so? Sorry. might have you walk right in front of me over here. And then off you go. 9. I'm just gonna walk down. What the heck? What the hell, guys? Just walk down. I was like, okay, he's letting go. There we go. And you clear, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Aw, clear, Sam.